Sakae Day / night part 2. Man, it's been an eventful day already.
You took a bus here, why?
I took a bus here because I wanted to just sit down and relax and think.
You saving on train?
No, I don't know. I like the bus ride. Bus rides are soothing. Nobody's coming on. I know transfers. So, you know, met this girl. I think she's married though, isn't she? Like,
she's probably married.
She's probably married. She's short. She's Trini. And she's, Shane said he's over the cougar phase. I don't know what a cougar phase is because, you know, whatever. We're gonna go get some food and the usual shenanigans and see what happens. You know, I'm closer to home. No, I'm not really closer to home. Sakae and Nagoya like the same place.
You still have to go to Nagoya to get your train. So.
No, bitch. I can go on the Surame. Nah, Mejo, and then come over. Yeah, I still have to go to Nagoya.
Yeah, it's doing right.
We're live in Nagoya. There's a protest over there. A protest. I think they're talking about free wings. They want free wings.
I don't think so.
Look, it says wings. Do you see? We want free wings. So, free wings. They look like a lot of black people. Hi, Nama. What's your name? Nama. Name?
Shiori.
Hi, Shiori is so cute. Kawaii this. And we're at the extra dry cold place. The beer is freezing cold. So she told me to go inside because it's good. She go.
No, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Alright. Woo! Get in the place, motherfucker! Two. Yeah, because that's what I do. Oh, Jesus! Oh my God, this place is lovely. Because we're black. So me and Shane got the corner seat because we're black. Well, I'm black, and you know we're Gaijin, so we got the baddest, the worst seat. Plain. Okay. What's your name? Now go. She's now go. Video. Hi, I know. So she says now go because she's now going to get her food. Now go get my food. Oh my God. Why are all these waitresses so cute, Shane?
Because it makes you buy more alcohol.
Yes, but you still don't end up getting anything. Yeah.
I mean,
or because I'm black.
Maybe because of you.
Yeah. So I scared them off. But Shane is also a closet racist, if you don't know. Yeah. Closet racist.
No, it's because I know some Japanese. You know zero.
I know.
So how could you say come back to my house in Japanese? Like you don't know about
I say you come with me. I just lift her up. I carry her over her back.
They have no clue.
They don't know anything. It's okay. One day I'll be fluent and we're gonna be like a dynamic duo, tag team. On top of the roof. Whatever Shane said, homentai, nomatai, blah blah blah, whatever it is. It's $3,000. Sorry, 3,000 yen for beer and wings and stuff. So only for 2 hours. So you know we're going to eat this food. We're going to eat this food. We're going to eat this food.
Look how we are. Sakae rooftops, baby.
Sweet, draft beer, bro. Free. Hi, say hello, say hi. Hi, yo. Draft beer, bro. So we're here, where's Shane? Get some food. And free beer. Get the plate and stuff. Oh my God, this is awesome. Oh, hello, hi. Hi, what's your name? Namai? Nana. Mitski. Maho. Hi, I'm Andre. I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica, Jide. Yeah? Oh, picture. Yeah, so these girls are cute. I want to get in with them. Oh yeah, they're pretty. You're so awesome. Oh my God. Crazy. Yeah, I am crazy. And ladies love black men. I can't stop. Oh shit, we're gonna be fat. We can get food. You just get it played? Where'd you go, bro? Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. This is crazy. Food for days. Hello.
Kataga.
Hi, what's your name? Am I?
Milano.
Emiliano.
Akane.
Yeah, alright.
Shindeshi.
Kawaii, eh?
Kawaii.
Alright, peace out. This is gonna be crazy. Gonna get some more beer. And I'm full. Yeah, but it comes back in like 2 minutes. Yeah, you make the drinks here. So like you do that as a shot and then you mix.
Wow!
These guys are getting wasted. Hey.
Nice guy.
Nihongo. Well, Nihongo. Toto.
Picture or video?
I can take picture with video, bitch. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Coco? These guys are awesome.
So much fun.